we stock our aluminum and combo flatbeds with the same specifications, although there are some differences. I'm Doug Knotek with Jim Hawk Trailers. I'm here to talk about the differences between our combo and aluminum flatbed. They're generally the same specs, just different composition between the combo and the aluminum. The main difference is weight, and that's because of the composition. The combo trailers have a steel main beam, a steel ICC bumper, and steel wheels. The aluminum have an aluminum main beam, aluminum ICC bumper, and aluminum wheels. On a 53-footer, that comes up to around 1,700 pounds. It also applies to our 48-footers. That's about a 1,600-pound difference. Come check these out at your nearest Jim Hawk location.